In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to get Alpha Futures discount code where you can get 15% off your purchase. It is super easy to do. Now, you can also already find it down in the description below, but I'll also show you how to use it in this tutorial. From here, you'll need to go up to your favorite browser and go up to alphafutures.com, and then from here you'll need to sign into an account or log into your already existing account. Now from here it should be like something like this, and now from here it's time to get a new account so you can use this promo code. You'll need to click Start a New Challenge up here, and then from here you'll need to choose the specific challenge that you want to purchase. From here you can add in the account type, the size of the account, and you can also choose the specific trading platform that you want to choose. Down here you can also add your address and add the terms and conditions for the specific product. Now from here you scroll a little bit up, you'll see the Alpha Futures promo code over here, a coupon code. Now from here to get 15% off, you'll just need to write in Mike012246. I'll also put a link to that down in the description below, and just click apply code, and then you'll get a 15% discount right here off the total price. From here you'll just need to click terms and conditions and accept all of these options, and click make payment and add in your credit card details. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!